Now, Dr. Stillman, you're the Executive Director of the Public-Private Alliance Foundation. Tell us a bit, what is the Public-Private Alliance Foundation, how did it get started, and how does it tie into the Millennium Development Goals?
The Public-Private Alliance Foundation derives from actions by the United Nations Economic and Social Council initially that set up the United Nations Public-Private Alliance for Rural Development. So this has intergovernmental support, and Madagascar and the Dominican Republic were the pilot countries under that scheme. Now the leadership of the Dominican Republic has gone forth to help to create a foundation that is an action-oriented body that brings together stakeholders for implementing real-life projects with real people. As we saw in the video just now, the Millennium Development Goals are a matter of national policy and international support that is designed to affect real people where they live. The Millennium Development Goals are very simply put against poverty and hunger and for education, for maternal health, for child health, for the environment, against HIV/AIDS and other diseases, and very definitely for partnerships. So the Public-Private Alliance Foundation picks up the Millennium Development Goal for partnerships and applies it into the other areas of environment and health and education and poverty reduction through a pro-poor business approach.
So you're trying to bring together a wide range of individuals, really the general public, governmental agencies, the private sector business people, universities, professionals who may have an interest in this, be it medical people who are involved in trying to reduce infant mortality rates, and bring them all together to really to pool their resources and to work together on these 8 goals. Is that correct?
This is something at the individual level, as you've mentioned, also organizations, community groups, government agencies, United Nations entities, companies, very importantly companies, because development is much larger than what governments or individuals can do. Development is earning a living. Development is making things happen on a large scale. Roads, bridges, hospitals, and these kinds of things require large amounts of money with a consciousness that what is being done is not only profit-oriented, but is designed to bring broad benefits through the activities. So that when a company gets involved with the Public-Private Alliance Foundation, that company is well aware that it is doing something that is good for business and good for people, and it has a maximum impact.
Now, do you plan to take this concept, the Public-Private Alliance Foundation, to other countries, or will it pretty much operate in the countries where it is right now, or would you like to see it expand into other areas of the world?
We've focused initially on the Dominican Republic. It was Ambassador Lorenzo and others that he has in his network that have brought about the creation of this foundation. And that is a very definite way to bring together skills of accountability, legal capability, business acumen, financial resources, and governmental linkages to bring a partnership that makes things happen. The ambassador of the Madagascar to the United Nations is also very eager to be involved in this. Madagascar was the first pilot country of the UN Public-Private Alliance, and the ambassador has joined today in a board meeting of the Public-Private Alliance Foundation. Madagascar will be the second country focus in the alliance, and other countries will definitely be invited for participation, because this is a concept that has legs. It is a concept that is applicable in many countries, and we certainly hope to see that happen.